Hello, welcome to our channel Book Forest Kids. My name is Ksenia
And my Kira.
and today we're going to explore the wonderful world of flowers. Well, biological wise, a flower is a part of a plant. Most of plants have flowers, but not all of them do. Everything starts with a tiny shoot appearing out of the soil, then it gets leaves and tiny delicate bud appears. It grows bigger and bigger until one day it's ready to open and blossom. And I have a question to ask. Darling Kira, if someone would have asked you to find just one single word to describe flower, what would it be?
Beautiful
You sure?
or pretty.
Yeah, beautiful, pretty, I like it.
It goes without saying that rose is one of the most beautiful flowers humankind has ever known. Earliest roses are known to have flourished 35 million years ago. Can you imagine that? Rose hips have been found in Europe and even within the wreath in ancient Egyptian tombs. The oldest living rose bush is thought to be 1,000 years old, and it continues to bloom on the wall of the Hildesheim Cathedral in Germany.
What makes flowers beautiful? What is that? When you look at
Color.
when you just look at it and you think, wow, it's beautiful. It's the color.
And did you know, for instance, that there are at least 24 shades of roses in the world? And it's no joke. Roses come in many different colors, like magenta, yellow, copper, vermilion, purple, and apricot. How would you describe this one? I think it's juicy pink.
But sometimes we can spot the flowers, but we can
Smell.
smell them. Yeah, that's fantastic odor that surrounds the flowers.
Peony's fragrance ranges from sweet and rosy to citrusy and spicy. And if single ones like any scent at all, the double ones are bomb double, the one that you can see in the video, just bursting with adorable fragrance.
So we figured out that flowers, most of them, have interesting color, usually very bright, and smell. Okay, and now a question to Kira. Why? Why do flowers have bright colors and this intriguing, beautiful smell?
For bees, butterflies, maybe bumblebees, and sometimes flies to notice them.
Yay, for pollinators. So pollinators get a signal, wow, there's a flower nearby. I can get some tasty nectar.
Depending on what kind of pollinator the flower needs, it would use some particular tricks. For instance, suitable shape of the flower for eating tasty nectar, color pattern of the petals, and scent, of course. Let's keep in mind that pollinators and humans see flowers in a different way. That's how bees see the bright daisy meadow. Why? Well, let's have a look. Honeybees have 5 eyes, 2 of which are compound and consist of lots of tiny lenses. So they see everything in ultraviolet spectrum, which humans can't. So the distinctive ultraviolet color patterns on flowers aren't visible to us, but incredibly eye-catching to bees. So what's so special about bees and other pollinators that flowers would do everything in order to get their attention? Pollination is the key word here. Now we come to the question, how does it work? Let's see on the video. So the hungry bee lands on the flower, and the grains of pollen just keep sticking on the wings, on the body, on the legs, everywhere. Flowers are the tools that plants use in order to make their seeds. Seeds can only be produced when pollen is transferred between flowers of the same species. So when an animal visits another flower for the same reason, pollen can fall off onto the flower and result in successful reproduction of the flower. Hooray! We can have the seeds.
Guys, I was convinced, I was assured that lupin doesn't have pollen because it looks like it doesn't. But Actually, it does, but it's very smart. When pollinator sits here, see, with its weight, it pulls the petal down, and here's the nectar and the pollen. Bingo! See?
And just in several minutes after recording of the previous video, we were lucky enough to witness the real open pollination. Isn't it a hard-working little bumblebee here? One by one is checking the inside part of each flower in order to find tasty nectar.
You know, I've been thinking, and it came to my mind that not all of the flowers are really bright and nice smelling. What would you say about that? Why is it so? Do you have any idea?
Because some flowers don't need pollinators, they need weeds.
Absolutely true. Let's think about such tree as birch. In early spring, it has these long-looking things, we call them catkins. They actually look like earrings a little bit. Brownish, green and yellow, so they're not bright, I wouldn't say so. And they don't smell, but yeah, whenever wind blows, the pollen is being spread from one tree to another, so they need wind. They don't need pollinators.
Most of people are convinced that grass doesn't have any flowers, just stem and leaves. In fact, most of grass do. Of course, they're not so bright as roses because they don't need pollinators. They have wind.
We do hope that the video was interesting, that you liked it. Okay, what do you think? Was it fine?
Yeah.
Was it cool? Super exciting exploring? What do you think? Kira is just a bit shy. Okay.
Good.
Good. Okay. So, if you liked the video, if you want to explore nature with us, then subscribe and we'll have a lot of fun together. See you. Bye.
Bye.